The ground reality is very true that the infiltrators, especially the Bangladeshi Muslim, they are coming through the West Bengal border because here in West Bengal, 540-kilometer area, there is no fencing. The Mamata Banerjee government is not providing adequate land to MHA and BSF for permanent fencing. For that reason, this type of incident happen in every day. Lakhs of Bangladeshi Muslim infiltrators, they are not Indian, they are coming. Mamata Banerjee and her government protecting them. They issued Aadhaar card, Epic card, ration card. Here in West Bengal, they always working in favor of Mamata Banerjee. This is our main problem.